this video, I'll show you how to configure the product variation table for WooCommerce. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so for example, this is a variable product, and typically the customer would have to choose from the different variation, right? And it's even less user friendly when you've got multiple different attributes for them to choose from. So we're going to transform our variation options from looking like this to something more like this, right? Where we're actually listing out the individual variation, and then they can just quickly choose the quantity in which they want for each variation, right? And then just bulk add it to their basket. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to AovUp.com. Go ahead and download the product table plugin by AovUp. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the AovUp product table plugin, the next step is to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll go plugins, add new, upload and install the plugin. Under where it says product table, we'll just go ahead and ensure that we've enabled this to on. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our product variation table. Okay, so in your case, you'll just go ahead and click create new table. We'll give it a name. It's just for internal purposes. We'll click on order form here. Okay, and then here we just need to configure the columns that we want to display on our variation table. So for example, we can display the product name, the product image, and then finally the add to cart button. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and click on bulk add to cart. Here we'll select button and checkbox. We'll enable the quantities field, and we can enable the Ajax add to cart behavior as well. For the variation settings, so this is super important. We need to select separate row. Okay, meaning we'll be displaying each variation in its own individual row. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on order form control. So a lot of these, I'm just going to disable them. So for example, the page length, which shows the number of products, I'm just going to set this to hidden. Same with the search box, product total, hidden as well. Pagination button, we'll leave this one. Okay, and then we'll just leave these as default. Okay, so now we'll navigate to order form design, and we just want to disable the product table heading. Okay, so now let's just hit save changes. And then we'll navigate back over to the main settings page. And then here where it says enable variation table, we just want to go ahead and select the product table in which we just created. So let's just hit save changes. Now let's go ahead and view one of our variable products. Okay, when we view a variable product, it will look something like this. Okay, so we can see we've got this product here in red, brown, mint, and white. And we're not seeing the product image because in the back end, I haven't actually specified a image for each variation. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.